Before we dive into this JavaScript tutorial, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more coding tips, JavaScript tricks, and web development guides. Join as a member for exclusive resources and stay ahead in your programming journey. Alright, so picture this. You're browsing your favorite website, maybe watching a video, filling out a form, or playing a little game right in your browser. Ever wondered what's working behind the scenes to make all that snappy, interactive magic happen? That's where JavaScript steps in. So what exactly is JavaScript? In plain English, JavaScript is a programming language. It's the backbone of the modern web. Every time you click, scroll, or type on a website and something happens instantly, JavaScript is probably responsible. It's the secret sauce making websites feel like apps instead of static pages. Now, what can you actually do with JavaScript? The real question is, what can't you do? It started as a way to make web pages interactive. Think pop-up dialogues, sliders, menus that drop down. But today, JavaScript has leveled up. You can build entire web apps, mobile apps, games, control robots, run servers. Some of the world's most popular apps, like Netflix, LinkedIn, parts of Google, use JavaScript under the hood. Don't miss out on the latest JavaScript tutorials and coding tips. Subscribe now, enable notifications, and become a member for exclusive web development content and resources. Where does all this JavaScript code actually run? Mostly it runs right in your browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari. They run JavaScript directly on your device. But it gets cooler. JavaScript can also run on servers, thanks to Node.js. So whether cloud or client, JavaScript can handle both. Now JavaScript versus ECMAScript, let's clear that up. ECMAScript is the official standard, the blueprint. JavaScript is the real-world, working version built from those blueprints. ECMAScript is the recipe, JavaScript is the dish you eat. How much can you make as a JavaScript developer in the US? Salaries vary by experience, city, and project type. Headline: as of 2024, average is around $110,000 per year. In places like San Francisco or New York, or with top skills, that can jump to $140,000 plus. So, JavaScript is everywhere. Browsers, servers, apps. If you like building cool stuff for millions, learn JavaScript. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this JavaScript guide. Subscribe for more tutorials, hit the bell for updates, and join as a member to unlock premium coding resources and stay updated with the best in web development.